And it is not the typical winter blast for the Northeast. They are getting ice on top of snow from a system there, leading to dangerous road conditions and canceled flights in Philly, New York, and Boston. Natasha Chen is in New York tonight with the impact and concerns after the snow and ice moves out.
A massive winter storm is pounding the Northeast, with more than 2 feet of snow expected to fall in the interior portions of New England.
Snow emergency has been declared by the mayor's office.
Plunging temperatures will bring icy conditions to parts of upstate New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. State and local authorities say they're ready for the weather challenge, but brutally cold temperatures could complicate efforts by road crews.
Now we've got really icy roads. As the temperatures fall, the salt will not be effective, and so that means that the roads are going to be really slick.
The storm brought some of the coldest temperatures of the season to the Midwest and East Coast. More than 100 million people from Missouri to Maine were under some sort of winter weather advisory on Saturday. Roads in parts of Arkansas turned to slush as road crews struggled to keep pace with the heavy snowfall. Conditions turned deadly in Kansas. A snowplow driver died when his plow overturned. Officials in New England have their attention focused on public safety, reminding residents to stay inside and stay warm.
Sometimes people just discount it here. They think, hey, this is the Northeast, we get these storms, but the streets can be really dangerous. And, just as you wouldn't go out in the middle of a hurricane, you shouldn't go out in the middle of a snowstorm.
In Albany, New York, I'm Natasha Chen, CBS 17 News.